Why would XRP replace Ether and even Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin has always been the king of cryptocurrency. To boot, Ethereum's Ether token has always been the leader in the altcoin space. Yet XRP, currently the world's fourth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, has always been in a competition with Bitcoin, given the similarities in their utility. Also engaging in a power tussle with Ether over which currency should be the most renowned altcoin. In today's video, we're going to take a look here at why we think XRP would surpass and replace Ethereum's 2500 price marker, and I do see positive signs happening throughout the market, especially for XRP. Are you curious to know what would happen after that? The answers to these questions are waiting for you in this video. Now, getting into the matter at hand, Bitcoin is a digital currency intended for use as a means of payment for goods and services, hence a legal tender. While Ethereum is a decentralized, open-source blockchain technology that is home to digital money, global payments, and applications, all intertwined within an ecosystem that allows for the development of decentralized applications with smart contract functionality. Ripple, on the other hand, is a payment-settling currency exchange and remittance system intended for banks and payment networks, but can also be termed as a means of payment or a legal tender. The idea behind the creation of the Ripple protocol is to provide a system for direct transfer of assets like money, gold, and other tangible assets that settles in almost real time. As it's cheaper, more transparent, and a much more secure alternative to transfer systems used by banks today, such as the SWIFT payment system. So before we go any further, let's take a brief overview of Ethereum's Ether token as well as Ripple's XRP. Ethereum was created in 2015. And is the pioneer cryptocurrency when you talk about altcoins, decentralized apps, and smart contracts. Initially proposed by Russian-Canadian programmer Vitalik Buterin in 2013, development started in 2014, then the platform went live on the 30th of July 2015. Much like Bitcoin, Ethereum uses the proof-of-work consensus mechanism, which has as its core the mining process. Ethereum currently has a circulating supply of about 115 million Ether, whereas these Ethereum miners, or the operators of supercomputers running software, use their time and computation power to process transactions and produce new blocks just like Bitcoin. Moving on to XRP, Ripple was first launched in 2012, 3 years after Bitcoin. It was built by a company called Ripple Labs, who are based in the United States. The purpose of Ripple was to create a payment system that could be used by banks to transfer funds both domestically and internationally. Ripple's target clientele is the financial service industry. Anybody can buy and sell Ripple's XRP. And just like Bitcoin, the Ripple blockchain does not require third parties to confirm and verify transactions, yet with a much higher transaction speed per second. Ripple allows its users to receive funds on a peer-to-peer basis. In total, there would be a maximum of 100 billion XRP tokens, with a current circulating supply of about 60 billion. Moving on further, let's look at the technical specifications of these two cryptos, Ethereum and Ripple, so as to allow you to understand where they both stand and which of these digital assets will maintain the upper hand over the other in the future. Talking about Ethereum, when you're looking to send funds via Ethereum's protocol to another person, the Ethereum blockchain takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes to process that transaction. This is of course all things being equal, and by all things being equal, I mean to say that when you utilize the highest quay or transaction fee for that particular transaction, as all transactions on the Ethereum blockchain have an optimal and varying transaction fee depending on certain factors like time of day, network congestion, and during bull runs, when everybody's looking to get involved with its token. However, Ripple performs much better than Bitcoin when it comes to transaction speed. When sending XRP from one wallet to another, it only takes a few seconds for the transaction to be confirmed. This makes Ripple a much better alternative when it comes to speed of transaction. Another notable point is the transaction fee. Just as stated before, Ethereum's transaction fee increases as the network gets busier, with the average transaction fee of Ether spiking during moments of congestion on the network, as was the case during the 2017 through early 2018 crypto boom, where its price soared to about $3. When it comes to transaction fees, Ripple is practically free, given the standing cost to make a transfer is just 0.00001 XRP. Even when XRP reached its all-time high in January 2018 at $3.50, that transaction fee would amount to 1/300th of a penny. In real-world terms, it's almost negligible. With regards to mining and circulation, Ethereum uses a proof-of-work system and mining for releasing new Ether tokens, forming an essential part of the validation process. While all the XRP tokens are pre-mined, which means that there would only be 100 billion XRP tokens ever. For this reason, XRP mining does not occur in the same way that Bitcoin mining does. The crypto coin release mechanism is different for both these tokens. Ether tokens are released and added to the network as and when the miners find them. A semblance of the smart contract functionality controls the release of XRP tokens. On the Ethereum network, miners are rewarded for every new token they mine, as miners are required to solve hard mathematical functions, starting with a list of desired hashes based on the difficulty. In terms of transaction validation, instead of using the blockchain mining concept as with Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ripple's XRP uses a unique distributed consensus mechanism through a network of servers to validate transactions. By conducting a poll, the servers or nodes on the network decide by consensus about the validity or authenticity of a transaction. This enables almost instant confirmations without any central authority or a number of third-party validations on a blockchain, which helps keep XRP decentralized yet faster and more reliable. Just as experts predict the overall cryptocurrency market cap to hit $5 trillion this market cycle, there are also speculations that XRP would hit some high gains this bull cycle. Some say its price could get to $10 by the end of the year. Others say its price would hit $200 or $300 at the end of the year. Yet there exist some ardent XRP enthusiasts who are of the thought that XRP would hit $589. An even more bullish XRP will replace Ethereum's current $2,500 mark in the near term or midterm. So guys, is this even possible? Well, according to some other predictions, the value of a single XRP token would go up to $200 or $300 within the next 10 years. They also suggest that Ripple would benefit since the anticipated price surge of its native token, XRP, will also trigger less volatility. According to another source, experts agree upon the notion that investments from enterprises and financial institutions and penetrating the mainstream media made possible via the network's popularity, there is no doubt that Ripple is bound to grow in the short, medium, and longer term. If this happens, it would truly be mind-blowing for XRP. In essence, Ripple offers safety as it plans to release a maximum of 100 billion XRP tokens, which is to be governed by an intrinsic smart contract. With a current circulation of about 60 billion, any unused portion of the XRP in a given month would be shipped over to an escrow account, a mechanism similar to burning of tokens during a Bitcoin halving that ensures that there will be no possibility of misuse due to the oversupply of the XRP tokens. Pretty sure the next question you might want to ask is, what happens to these tokens stored in this escrow account? Well, if you want to find out more, be on the lookout for our next video as we provide the answer to that question, in addition to many more interesting stories and insights around Ripple and its native asset XRP. Thanks for watching until the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like, maybe subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below, and be sure to check out one of the other videos on your screen. See you next time.
Hollywood perfect.